Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Dream Driven X. In the last set of Excel videos, we discussed something about freezing panes. If you have any doubt in the previous video, click on the above link and watch the video. Practice all the examples which we have seen till now so that you will remember all the concepts well. In today's video, we will discuss something about custom views. Let us get into today's video. I will be using the same Excel sheet which I am using it from day one of this Excel series. So this is an Excel sheet about salesperson report of the entire month. So right now what is my requirement is I need to create two different versions of workbook. So currently I have only one workbook. My requirement is I need to create two versions of workbook. In one version of the workbook, it should show the entire details, all the details of the salesperson, what is their weekly report, what is the total sales he did, and we will be checking whether the target is achieved or not. So in one workbook, I need to show the entire data. In another workbook, I should hide this data. This total and target achieved is not required. I need to show only the weekly performance. So this is my requirement. I need to show two different workbook. In one workbook, I have to show the entire details which contain total as well as whether the target is achieved by the salesperson or not. That is one workbook. In the another workbook, I should have only the data about weekly reports. I should not have any total or target achieved. So in order to do that, instead of creating two different versions of workbook, I no need to just copy it and create two different versions of workbook. So what is the simplest way is, in order to do that, I will take advantage of a feature known as custom views. That is what we are going to discuss in this video. It is pretty simple concept. The concept name is known as custom view. So where is this custom view option is available is, if you go to any Excel, you can see multiple tabs at the top. So in that you can able to see there is a tab known as view tab. So just click on view tab. So in the view tab, you can able to see an option known as, in this workbook views tab, you can able to see there is an option known as custom view. This is what we are going to discuss in today's video. What is my requirement is I need to create two different versions of workbook. In one version of the workbook, I need to show entire detail which contains total and checking whether the target achieved or not. In another workbook, I should have only the detail about the weekly reports alone. So in order to do that only, we have to go to the view tab. There you can able to find custom view. So click on custom view. So once I click on custom view, you can able to see a new window is getting opened, which is known as custom view. So in that, click on add. So when I click on add, what will happen means the entire view which is currently running. So this current view contains the entire view, which is total as well as target achieved. That is my first requirement, right? So which I need two workbook. One workbook which should contain the entire data. So currently all the entire data are available. So I will go to the view tab, click on custom view and click on add. So once you click on add, it will ask the name of this particular view. So let me give the name as original view. Click on OK. Now what happened is one view have got created, which is nothing but one workbook, or we can simply say this particular view has got created. So now what is the second workbook I need to create is, in the second workbook, I should not have this total and target achieved column. So instead of deleting that, what I will do is, let me select both this column. I'm just clicking on shift and selecting both this total and target achieved column. Let me hide it. How to hide it? Just select both the columns and right click on it. So once you right click, you can able to see there is an option known as hide. So click on hide. So now this is the second view. So first view which contains entire data like total as well as checking whether the target is achieved or not. So in the second tab, second view, I need only the data about the salesperson. Now what I will do, again go to the view tab, click on custom view. You can see here there are already one view which I have created previously, which is showing here original view. Now let me add the another view and let me give the name as hidden view. Just for our understanding, I'm just giving in a pretty simple name as hidden view. Click on OK. So I hope everyone understand till now, right? Till now, I have just created two different view. One view contain entire data, which is I had named as original view, and second view, which contains only data about the salesperson weekly report. I am not having any total or checking whether the target achieved or not. So now the second view is also created. So now you can able to see there are two views which got created, original view and hidden view. That is what my requirement which I said in the initial stage, right? I need to create two workbook. For example, tomorrow if I have to take a printout of the original view which contain all the target achieved and total as well, if I want to take a printout, I no need to create two different worksheets, two different sheets separately. I'm just having one workbook which contain two different view, which is original view which contain the entire data, and hidden view which has only the data about the weekly report. So now if I want to have the original view, what I have to do, simply I have to go to the view tab, click on custom view. In custom view, i am I need to show the original view, so select original view and click on show. Once I click on show, you can able to see I'm getting the first view which I created, which contains total as well as target achieved. Now if I want to display the hidden view, pretty simple. Just go to the custom view, select hidden view and click on show. So here I have just hidden the data. You can able to see the both the views have got created. So in future, if I want to add multiple views, it's not that you have to add only one view or two view. Depending on your requirement, you can able to add n number of views here. In future, if you want to delete the view also, there is an option. You can see hidden view. If I want to delete it, you can able to delete it. So this option is all about custom views. So you can make advantage of this if you want to create multiple view of sheets in your requirement. So because if tomorrow if I want to take the printout of the original view, I now need to open a separate workbook. In the same workbook, I can open the original view, just click on show, and then I can take the printout. So this is what custom views is all about. So now what you can do is, this is a pretty simple concept. Just go to the view tab and click on custom views and customize it based on your requirement. So now what you can do is you can pause the video and practice on this simple concept known as custom view. Try to create some 2 to 3 views for your understanding, right? Yeah. Thank you everyone for watching the video till the end. If you like such contents, please like the video, share your thoughts in the comment section, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel. So thank you once again.